Hi everyone, Luke here from Apple Online Academy. Let me show you many different ways how to move files on your Mac. Some of them are good in different situations, so it's handy to know more methods. Let's start off with the most straightforward way. That is to simply drag and drop between two windows. So here I have some files in the folder and I want to move a file from one folder to another. I can go to File, New Finder Window, or use a simple shortcut Command N. I can put the windows side by side and just simply drag and drop from one window to another to move the file there. Of course, you can drag and drop the files within one window, like take this file and put it in the folder. But let's say it's a little bit more complex than that. What if you want to move it in the subfolder inside of this folder? In this case, I can use spring loading. Let me show you. I drag this document there, I hover over this folder and wait for a couple of seconds, and then it will open up. That's called spring loading. Now I can see the content inside, and I can drag and drop it into this subfolder. The preferences for spring loading can be found in System Preferences, under Accessibility and the Pointer Control. You can set the speed here or turn it off completely. But you don't need to do that, because there is a way how to simply speed it up using your spacebar. So I can drag the file over the folder, and as soon as I'm over it, I will press the spacebar and it immediately jumps into that folder. Spring loading is especially handy if you are in icon view, because there is no way to view the contents of this folder without opening it. Another method, instead of having two windows open, I can use tabs. Let's open up new tab with the Command T, or press the plus button if you have the tab bar activated. If not, you can do that in the view menu up here. I like to use the shortcut Command T. In this new open tab, I can go to another location where I want. I will select desktop for demonstration again. Once you are ready, take the file and drag it over the tab and then drop it. It uses spring loading for this as well. Drag over here to the tab and wait for it to load up, that you can drop it inside. I want to show you some more creative ways how to move files. You can add folders to your favorites on the left. All you need to do is to take a folder and drag it over there. One reason why I would do that is to get quick access to a folder I use very often. You can do basically the same in the dock. Drag the folder to the right side of the dock, and after you can drop any file into it as well. There are other locations where you can drop the files which most people don't even know about. If I'm very deep in the folder structure and I want to put a file few levels up, I can do that using the path bar. Go to View menu and select Show Path Bar, and that you will see the full path down here below. You can drag and drop it into any of these folders to put it in one of the levels above your current folder. But something I use more often is the desktop, which sounds funny, but it's actually a useful way how to move files. Notice how my desktop is nice and empty. I don't have any files or folders there. If you've got a nice clean desktop like this one, you can use it as a temporary holding place because it's always accessible behind everything. So you can drag this file here temporarily, then navigate to another location and drag it into that place. So look at this as another reason why you might want to keep a nice clean desktop. But now let's go to see the most useful technique besides the basic drag and drop, and that's copy and move. Take one file, drag it over the folder or desktop for example, and before you drop it, press the Option key. Notice how the cursor adds this green plus icon under it. So now that will make a copy of this file at the new location. So instead of moving, you will copy it. There are other special shortcuts for copying and moving files, which you will find in a separate video. And of course, all of these methods, including copy-paste, work for multiple files. So you can select many files and work with them all at once. If you want to know different techniques how to select multiple files, subscribe to Apple Online Academy and you will find out in the next episode. So see you there.